Introducing a hassle-free way to turn your Astropay funds into Zambian kwacha, right here in Zambia. Hi, I'm Keith Rains, and I've got great news for all Astropay users in Zambia. Are you an Astropay user in Zambia looking to withdraw your funds? We know Astropay doesn't support withdrawals in Zambia, but we've got a solution just for you. You can now easily convert your Astropay funds to Zambian kwacha by simply sending us a message on WhatsApp. That's right. Just send me a message on WhatsApp at +2609777770202, and I'll take care of the rest. Keith Rains is your trusted partner for converting Astropay funds into Zambian kwacha. We offer a secure and hassle-free service. Our satisfied customers have been enjoying quick and reliable service, and now it's your turn. Why wait when you can have your Astropay funds in Zambian kwacha in no time? Contact me today and let's get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity to easily convert your Astropay funds to Zambian kwacha. Contact Keith Rains on WhatsApp at +2609777770202 now. Astropay to kwacha, Keith Rains has got your back, eh? WhatsApp today for kwacha right away. Contact Keith Rains on WhatsApp at +2609777770202. Keith Rains, your trusted partner for Astropay to Zambian kwacha conversions. Contact us now and experience a hassle-free service.